Oh, hi everybody. This is Marshall Studios Forever Production here. Marshall Studios Forever Production is now taped in front of a live audience this early tonight. Tonight's video, I'm going to be running my Eureka. No, wait. It's my Hoover Power Drive ComSet 1 upright vacuum cleaner, self-propel, fit the Hoover ComSet self-propel fit power drive upright vacuum cleaner was a 1988 model. I got a lot of stories about this machine. I also knew about these older Hoovers from the 80s. These were they first made the self-propel brand until by the very late 80s. The one with the power surge on there, I really knew about these older vacuums. They're mostly kind of loud, and it's normal. And also, I really love these machines a lot, and I'm really excited to use it on the carpet here today and tonight. You ever know? But anyway, let's get started. Well, everybody, this is a really good vacuum cleaner to use. This thing, is really loud. It is pretty loud, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Well, everybody, I really decided to say something was really, really amazed about this vacuum. Maytag really made this machine during the late 80s or early 90s, I believe. I remember in the very late 80s. I remember back in 1988, in the year by 1989, Hoover was becoming more popular during the very late 80s and during the 70s and 80s. And in the late 80s, it was becoming more newer technology and the newer modern brands. I really found out from Hoover, made for the USA, and I just remembered these vacuums were major popular during the late 80s and throughout the 1990s. And guys, let me know if you want me to make another YouTube video every day. I'm gonna upload 2 videos a day on YouTube, or do something like that. Yesterday, I had been polishing vacuums yesterday. I had to clean them out multiple times, because every time if I go inside the carport shed, dust will get into it, and I really decided to clean it out and make it brand new and shiny. But anyway, guys, let me know down below on the comics what you like to see for a brand new Marshall Studios Forever production. Click thumbs up, hit subscribe, hit the red button, what you like to see for a brand new video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!